Welcome to Prep Peak, your peak to government exam success. Thank you for your response in part 1. इसलिए मैं आज part 2 लाई हूँ जनवरी मंथली करंट अफेयर्स 2026 का, जिसमें हम सेकेंड वीक कवर करेंगे। और ये एक रिवीजन क्लास है जिसमें जो हम एग्जाम से पहले देखना है, सो दैट वी विल रिवाइज इट मोर और विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Our first question is, Meghalaya is shifting toward which type of mining to address environmental and safety concern? And the answer here is option number A, scientific coal mining. Second question, which Indian state has recently launched a WhatsApp governance initiative? And the answer here is option number C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 3, in which country was the world's oldest cave painting recently discovered? And the answer here is option number B, Indonesia. Fourth question, which animal was found for the first time in India, specifically in Jammu and Kashmir? And the answer here is Himalayan ibex. Fifth question, who has been appointed as the new chairman of ESAF Small Finance Bank? And the answer here is option number D, Karthikeyan Manchikam. Sixth question, Punjab to launch Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana on January 15, 2026, offering free cashless medical treatment up to how much per family for all 65 lakh families in the state? And the answer here is option number C, it's 10 lakh. Seventh question, which state has become the first in India to constitute its 8th state pay commission? And the answer here is option number D, it's Assam. Eighth question, which agency has assigned a AAA stable rating to Rammarg Infra Investment IT company? And the answer here is option number B, it's care rating. Ninth question, Union government has launched an integral e-bill platform to digitally process fertilizer subsidies of nearly 2 lakh crore annually, replacing manual and paper-based system. The e-bill system is developed through integration of IFMS with which platform? And the answer here is option number C, PFMS is Public Financial Management System. Option number 10, which multilateral finance institution has agreed to provide a 4,100 crore, that is 500 million loan to Telangana government for the part of phase 1 of Musi River Development Project? And the answer here is option number B, it's ADB, Asian Development Bank. 11th question, the government removed which eligibility condition for startups to avail the Research Development and Innovation RDI fund? And the answer here is option number B, is 3-year existence condition. 12th question, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the exposition The Light and the Lotus Relics of the Acquaintant One at which venue? And the answer here is option number C, Rai Pithoda Cultural Complex, New Delhi. 15th question, who has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of Canara Bank from January 1, 2026? And the answer here is option number B, is Hardeep Singh Ahluwalia. 40th question, who has been elected as the president of Atal Smriti Nyas Society in December 2025? And the answer here is option number C, M वेनिका नायडू. ये हमारा अपॉइंटमेंट इलेक्टेड दिसंबर में होते हैं, मगर ये जनवरी से ज्वाइन करेंगे, इसलिए ये न्यूज इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. 15th question, who has been named the international event ambassador for the 21st edition of the Tata Mumbai Marathon? And the answer here is option number C, Andre De Grasse. 16th question, who has been reappointed as the chief coach of the India women's hockey team? And the answer here is option number C, Royalont Olthamans. 17th question, Jaipur will host the 78th Army Day Parade for the first time on January 15. On which road is Jaipur with Army Day Parade be held? And the answer here is option number C, Mahal Road. 18th question. India has become the world's largest rice producer, surpassing China, marking a major milestone in food security and exports. India has become the world's largest rice producer with a total output of how much ton? And the answer here is option number C, 150.18 million tons. 19th question. India's traditional medicine system Ayush has been received formal recognition in trade agreement with which countries? And the answer here is option number C, it's Oman and New Zealand. 20th question. The Gan Negai festival, which marks the beginning of the new year and is celebrated after the harvest season, is associated with which community of Manipur? And the answer here is option number C, Kabui tribe. 21st question. The Government of India has recently launched the Market Access Support MAS scheme with an aim to improve the global reach, visibility, and competitiveness of India's exporters through structure and outcome oriented interventions. For which financial period has this MAS scheme has been officially launched? And the answer here is option number C, it's fiscal year 2026 to 31. 22nd question. Which Indian state documented its first ever sighting of the ultra rare sandalwood leopard? And the answer here is option number C, it's Karnataka. 23rd question. Which private sector bank has received approval from the Government of India to enter the capital gain account scheme CGAS market, allowing, allowing taxpayers to park uninvested long-term capital gains from January 1, 2026? And the answer here is option number C, it's ICICI Bank. The 24th question is the second Khelo India Beach Game will be held at Gola Beach Diu from 5th to 10th Jan, organized by UT of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Which of the following is not a medal event at Khelo India Beach Game? And the answer here is option number D, Malakhambh. 25th question. Which country became the first to formally recognize Somaliland as an independent and sovereign state? And the answer here is option number C, it's Israel. 26th question. A total of 63 wrestlers were brought in the Pro Wrestling Legio Season 5 auction, with 6 franchises spending over 11 crore to build their squads, who received the highest bid of 60 lakh in the auction. And the answer here is option number D, it's Yui Susaki. Question number 27. Which company signed an MOU with NSD FDC for CSR funded development of Eklavya Model Residential School? And the answer here is option number B, ONGC Limited. Number 28th question is, who released the book Kutmat-e-Modi, Lal Quila Ki Fasal Se? And the answer here is option number C, Dhamendra Pradhan. 29 question. The two-day Human Capital Working Group meeting focusing on education, reform, workforce transition, and inclusive AI adoption is being jointly hosted by which of the following organization at IIT Guwahati? And the answer here is option number C, Ministry of Technology and India AI Mission and Government of Assam and IIT Guwahati. 30th question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Reliance packaged water brand Campa Share? And the answer here is option number B, Amitabh Bachchan. Now here the homework question is, Jinson Johnson, who recently announced his retirement, is a national record holder in which sport? Option number A, swimming. Option number B, middle distance running. Option number C, long jump. And option number D, shooting. मैं आपका आंसर का वेट करूंगी कमेंट सेक्शन में, आप ज़रूर ज़रूर ड्रॉप करिएगा। और आपको ये अगर हेल्पफुल लग रहा है सेशन तो let me know in the comment section and do like, share and subscribe to this channel PrepPic so that we will grow it more. Thank you so much.